Have you ever noticed how the hardest part of any task is simply starting? We imagine the big project, the hours of effort, and instantly feel overwhelmed. So we procrastinate. But what if I told you there's a rule so simple yet so powerful that it can break this cycle instantly? It's called the 2-minute rule, and it can completely rewire the way you approach habits and productivity. Here's how it works. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. Send that text, reply to that email. Put your shoes away, done. But it goes deeper. You can also use the 2-minute rule to start big habits. Want to read more? Just read 1 page. Want to get fit? Just put on your workout clothes, because once you start, momentum takes over. The genius is that the rule removes friction. It tricks your brain into action, and action creates identity. You stop being the person who delays, and you become the person who shows up. And here's the truth. Consistency beats intensity. 2 minutes, repeated daily, builds habits stronger than an hour once in a while. So here's my challenge for you. Today, pick one area of your life where you've been stuck. Apply the 2-minute rule. Start so small it feels almost silly. Then let momentum do the rest. Because big change doesn't come from giant leaps. It comes from tiny actions you choose right now.